Good morning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another colorful eyeshadow look, a twist on the cloud makeup. I've done the cloud look already. I did the pink one. It's on some of my social medias, but I've done it a couple different times now and I was just kind of bored of it, so I wanted to try something different. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try this look right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so to create this look today, I am using the one and only James Charles palette. I just got it in the mail the other day and it is beautiful, so gorgeous. So we're going to be using this palette to create this look. It took me, I started this eye look at, what time is it now? Started this look at 11 o'clock. It is now 12:30 in the morning. We're about to attempt the other eye. Is it really a makeup tutorial if it doesn't take at least 3 hours? I already primed my lid on this eye. Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light Sand. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right on in. If my lens is behind me, I was having a hard time focusing the camera. Like I said in my last video, I'm not good with the camera at all, so we've been having a hard time focusing this camera. He has two other lenses. I don't know, I couldn't get it to focus. Somehow magically this one started to focus, so hopefully it's still focused right now. If not, I guess we're kind of screwed. But I'm gonna go and start off with the lightest shade. I want to say it's Pinkity Drinkity. I'm gonna dip right in with my Morphe R39. And I'm just going to start putting this in the crease. Okay, take my smaller brush and this is what I'm going to use to go in with the darker pink. This pink is so pigmented and so beautiful. I'm obsessed. Take this Urban Decay Naked eyeshadow brush and I'm going to dip into the lighter purple first just to lay a foundation right next to that pink. Going with that same smaller brush again, I'm going to dip into the darker purple to deepen up that purple shadow. So I'm keeping the colors right along my crease line and blending just a little bit above as well. So when we go and cut that cloud crease, it looks more defined. taking my Morphe R39 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into one of the lighter blues. And I'm going to tuck that right in next to the purple and just start blending. I start off with a lighter shade so that it gets a little bit of the foundation color, and then I go back in with a darker shade to really deepen and add depth to the color so that it looks like it blends together. Again, going in with my little detail brush here, dipping into a little bit darker of a blue and tucking it right on that inner corner and blending it in. I'm kind of packing it in a little bit first and then I'm blending it out. Okay, that is the start of our crease. So I'm going to go right back through and do the same process I just did all over again. Now that I have a basic outline of where I want to go, I'm going to just go back in and add little details, darken it up here and there, blend a little more. Okay, our camera died, but are we really that surprised at this point? This camera seems to like to do that a lot. So I'm still just putting white all over the cloud crease that we just cut. Okay, so now I'm going to go in on the outer corner and I'm going to use the blue, and I'm going to start to in from the outer corner into the eyelid area. So I'm going to start off with a lighter blue in the James Charles palette. I'm just going to kind of start placing the color where I want it to get a basic outline for where I want that color to lay. Okay, so that's a basic outline for the outer corner blue. Now I'm just going to take a small detail brush like this, like a pointed tip, and I'm going to go around the cloud cut crease that I did and just kind of line to really define that cut crease. We want it sharp. So this is my absolute least favorite part of this whole look. I don't know why I struggle so much with drawing these little star looking things on my face, but I do. I think part of it is because my white liner is old and crusty and drying out on me, and I definitely need to go get a new one, but here we are. Now I'm just going to go back in and I'm going to add all these little white dots to, I think they're supposed to look like maybe like stars in the sky. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to add these little sparkly jewels in the center corner. I have this little bag. I really don't know where I got that from. I want to say I got it from Anthropologie. I don't remember. It was a while ago. They're old. I don't think I've ever even used them. This is the first time I'm using them for this look. So I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to pop it on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take just a flat brush and get that nice and saturated. And I'm going to place this primer on my inner corner. I'm going to take my little baby tweezers. These are so cute, so little. I'm going to also dip this in the primer so that I can easily pick up the little gems, jewels, sparkles, whatever they're called. Now I'm going to use my Kat Von D ink liner to line my lash line. Okay, I'm going to pop on some mascara and my lash. I'm going to put our lower lash mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're just going to finish the face up real quick. Just going to add a little bit of bronzer. I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm going to add some blush. Alright, this is the final look right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it, and I hope to see you guys all next time.